Women who love to do nail art and gel manicures often have to face difficulties to remove nail polish. Gel polishes are in trend for a long time, but after weeks of application, you might want to get rid of that polish and try some other designs, or simply keep your nails polish free. Regular nail polish removers are great, but steam nail polish removers are proven to be quite effective for removing gel or acrylic nail polish from your nails. These machines remove nail polish with the help of steam. All you need to do is pour some good quality liquid nail polish remover into the machine. Place your fingers and watch your nail polish get removed without any hassle. Keeping all these in mind, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best steam nail polish remover machines for your nails, so let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Ayunjia Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine is a convenient product for your home, which will make your nail polish removal process a breeze. The machine comes with a motor power of 36 watts. It reaches up to 52 degrees Celsius and takes only 10 minutes to lift off the polish. It's a safer option compared to regular nail polish removers. The combination of heat and vapor created inside the machine allows softening of your nail polish, and all you need to do is put the nail polish remover inside and press the switch to start the heating and steaming process. The machine has an indicator light for ease of use. It's a great option for removing different kinds of gel polish, and it doesn't make your nails thin or harm the skin. And the machine comes in a compact size with an ergonomic design for your convenience. The Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This product is easy to use and the nail polish comes off quickly and easily. But some of the users said that they were not satisfied with this product. Let's check out the ratings for this Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine. The Antart Steam Gel Nail Polish Remover Machine is a fully packed product, which comes with all the necessary items for removing nail polish efficiently. It has a motor power of 36 watts. The machine removes all types of nail polishes, including matte, gel, and acrylic polishes as well. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to lift off your nail polish properly. The machine has a low temperature steam chamber, so it doesn't harm your natural nail bed. Your fingers do not need to touch the resurrection water, which makes it a safer and more convenient option for you. The machine has a built-in thermostat, an automatic timer, and a power cord socket. The remover can be reused, which makes the steam machine an environmentally friendly option. The package also includes a triangle cuticle pusher and a cutter set and a nail file. The Antart Steam Gel Nail Polish Remover Machine has earned a number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this machine works quite well on removing different types of nail polish, but some of the users were disappointed with the product. Time to check out the ratings. Our next pick for today's video is the Nailflowers Steam Off Gel Nail Remover Machine, which is an environmentally friendly option that you can consider. This machine is great for removing any polish which is acetone soluble. The rubber gaskets allow you to put your fingers through for keeping the steam inside. The machine takes 10 to 15 minutes to soak off and lift polish off your nails. It comes with 3 indicator lights and a switch button. The lights are convenient features which enable you to monitor the progress of your nail polish removal process, making the task easier than you anticipated. The machine has a recyclable internal structure. The unloading liquid can be reused, which results in less waste, making it environmentally friendly. The machine protects your thin nails and doesn't create strong smells of acetone as well. The Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. Users love this product as it actually works, and it is easy to use, and it doesn't damage nails as well. But besides all the positive reviews, some users said that the product didn't meet their expectations. It's time to rate this product. If you're looking for a multifunctional steam machine which will remove various types of nail polish quite effectively, the BLUETOP Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine is a great option for you. It has a motor power of 36 watts. The machine reaches up to a temperature of 52 degrees Celsius, and it takes about 12 minutes to lift off your nail polish quite efficiently. The machine has a switch button and 3 different colors of indicator lights for indicating heating, steaming, and warming periods. It doesn't harm your nails in the process, and it keeps them healthy. The steam machine is easy to set up and use. It doesn't create any irritating smell, and it can be used in salons or at home according to user convenience. The BLUETOP Steam Nail Polish Remover Machine has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this machine works quite well to remove dip powder nails and removes gel polish quickly, but some users said that they faced technical issues while using it. It's time to check out the ratings. The I.B.N Steam Gel Nail Remover Machine is our best pick for today's video. It's a great product which you can use at home to remove nail polish without worrying about hurting your nails in the process. This steam machine has a motor power of 30 watts. It is capable of removing any polish which is soluble in acetone, which includes gel polish or regular nail polish. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to lift off the gel from your nails. This machine doesn't harm your natural nail bed and prevents your nails from thinning. The machine works automatically and is quite easy to use as well. The machine comes with rubber gaskets, which are made for putting your fingers through to keep the steam inside the machine, and it also doesn't create any strong smell. The I.B.N Steam Gel Nail Remover Machine is a convenient product which has earned a number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it is easy to use and removes polish quite well. They also like the cuticle pusher for its convenient design, but some users complain that the product didn't quite work for them. Let's check out the ratings for this product. So, those were our top 5 steam nail polish remover machines. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.